if you see the way Freddy is looking at my hand, I have already been thoroughly annoying him while he was trying to groom. That little attack. But it's fun to do. He got his claw stuck. You're trapped. Trapped by your own mighty claws. It's fun to annoy Freddy sometimes. I feel like it's get back for every time he comes into the kitchen, sits right behind me, and then I back up a step, and then he's like, no! But, it's because if I go by the fridge, Freddy needs full investigation on what's going on in the fridge. And, so all you gotta do is wait for him to start doing something, and then it's on. But it is, it's fun to do because he gets to practice trying to eat my arm, which he's pretty good at. He hasn't given me a good bleeding wound in a while, so I mean that's good. That's a plus. But now he's gonna go full aggro. Yeah. What are you doing, buddy? It's gonna be like I'm gonna chew on you. That's just gonna be how it goes. Uh-oh. That's when you know the interest is getting real. Alright, buddy. Well, it was rainy this morning, so I didn't get to go outside. Tomorrow we'll be doing that, and I will thankfully be able to get out there a bit earlier. It was just wet and rainy, and I was like, I don't feel like doing this, dealing with it. Freddy will deal with it because he does not care. He wants to roll around in some grass and get all dirty, and then clean himself for like the rest of the day. That's just what it's going to be. So I'll see you guys soon. Please like and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later.